The Chinese president arrives in India for a 3-day visit today, and trade, investment and the decades-old border disputes between the two countries will be the big focus. However, his first stopover will be the Prime Minister's home state Gujarat, where he will be treated to traditional Gujarati cuisine, a walk by the Sabarmati River, and he'll also visit the Gandhi Ashram. India expects that the visit will address interests and concerns of both countries, and all substantive issues, including the boundary dispute, will be discussed. This week, there has been a new face-off between India and China in the disputed frontier in Ladakh.
A decked-up Sabarmati riverfront, a Gujarati buffet for kings, hoardings reinforcing a new chapter in bilateral ties. Ahmedabad is putting its best foot forward for Chinese President Xi Jinping as he kicks off his India tour from Ahmedabad on Wednesday.
You can see behind me, that's where the domes are being created. These are specialized tents, depicting domes. These are being created, about 5 to 6 such domes. Inside these domes, they are trying to create a very local kind of a decor. In fact, Kutch Torans, these are the local embroidery from the Kutch district that is being brought in, that they will be put up inside these domes to give it a local flavors.
Xi will be treated to the best of Gujarati food in a specially created enclosure at Riverfront Park. 5 huge air-conditioned domes have been created just for the occasion. Here, over a dozen dignitaries from both sides will savor delicacies such as khaman and dokla.
छोटी-छोटी जो नृत्य मंडलियां हैं, जो गुजरात की कला वारसा को प्रस्तुत करेंगी, वैसे गुजरात के जो डांगी नृत्य है, हमारे रास गरबा है, हमारे सौराष्ट्र का नृत्य है, ऐसे नृत्य वो देखेंगे. और उनको जो भोजन दिया जाने वाला है वो शुद्ध गुजराती वेजिटेरियन भोजन परोसेंगे.
For entertainment, there will be folk dances from different parts of the state, all against the backdrop of the Sabarmati Ashram, located on the opposite bank. In Ahmedabad with Rohit Bhan, in New Delhi, Yash Chawla, NDTV.